everyone, today I'm going to introduce our new product, ASIWO U1 Universal Water Scooter. This is our new product you can use as a sea scooter for diving and snorkeling. Also, you can attach it to your paddle for speed boost. And this is already our final product with the retail packaging. And that's what people going to pay for and going to get it. Now I'm excited to open the box and see what's inside. Let's do it! Let's check it out and see what we have. Right here we got two boxes. This is the big and durable carry case. It looks super cool and pretty awesome. And this is another box for the buoyancy kit. This carry case has two different sides to contain the different parts for to use in different scenarios. Let's open the side and see what's in there. Right here we get main unit with motor, battery, menu, two handles, and charging adapter. Let's turn to another side and check it what is there. Let's see what we got. In this side, all these parts are for paddleboard mode. Right here, we got main unit, battery, propeller cover, and water deflector. This water deflector can increase U1 speed by 30%. We got fin tail and 3 types of fin adapters. All these fin adapters make our U1 compatible with 99% paddleboards. We got watch, Bluetooth receiver, and anti-loss leash. Put this right here and put this part on your ankle. If you fall into water, this part fell off, the U1 will shut down and you don't need to worry, it keeps going far away. So we already checked all the necessary parts in this carry case. Let's turn to another box. This is a buoyancy kit for U1. This buoyancy kit is so slight. Strap this on the U1. If the U1 is not in use in the water, this buoyancy kit will get it floating on the water surface naturally. You don't need to worry about it sinking. This is the whole set of our ASIWO Universal Water Scooter. Hope you guys love it. Thank you.